In this video I'm going to talk about tool buttons as a means to switching between tools or various functions in ZoomNotes. So they appear either in the sidebar or on the top bar, and each has a distinct icon on it to help you know which tool it's going to start if you tap on it. The current tool is shown kind of shaded darker. It's kind of inverse of what it would look like if it wasn't running. So in this, at the moment, the pen tool is running. If I tap on the A, then that's going to start the text tool. Tap on the 3D kind of rectangular thing, that starts the eraser. The next one down is the select tool. Next one down is the table tool. So that's just quickly changing between the tools. So pen tool, I can write on the screen. Text tool, I can tap on the screen and then type some text, etc. Now, you can reassign which tool a tool button will start by and knowing which of the tool buttons is signified by the little triangle. So let's say I don't want the select tool on this button, so I'm going to tap and hold on this button and I get the tool kind of chooser. And this is a list of all the tool or functions in ZoomNotes that can be assigned to a tool button. So instead of the select, let's say I want the polygon tool, then I'm going to tap on polygon. That started the polygon tool, but it's also assigned it to the tool button. So you can take a bit of time just deciding which tools you want on the side and top bar. So here I've got 3 tool buttons on the top bar. Probably don't want share there, so I could have let's say perhaps the straight line tool, and that's assigned that there. You can lock the tool buttons, and what that means is that if you select a different tool, it's not going to change the tool associated with the tool button. It will start that tool, but it won't change which tools are showing in the tool buttons. So that's something you can do when you're comfortable with your tool setup on these top and sidebars. This tool icon on the top bar, I tap that, then I get the tool selector, and that's just a way of choosing a tool without affecting any tool buttons. That's that. Now the final point with tool buttons is you can go to the settings and workspaces and edit a workspace and go to user interface and adjust the number of tool buttons on the top bar or the number of tool buttons on the sidebar. So if I sidebar buttons up to 10 and go back, then suddenly I've got 10 of these configurable tool buttons on the sidebar, and the same goes with the top bar.